My name's Jim Bishop. I'm a service technician with Cemen Tech, and today we're talking about replacing our wear blades on our C60 mixer auger. The tools that we're going to be using today in replacing our wear blades is our 1/2" wrench or a 1/2" socket with a 5/16 Allen wrench. What I recommend in replacing our wear blades is buy the entire kit, which will include all the bolts, washers, nuts, and wear blades for the entire auger. In replacing our wear blades, we're going to be putting our bolts through the front face of the wear blades. Then we have washers. The washers are going to be our spacers. We do not want to try to match our wear blade up to the steel flighting on our mixer. Now we're going to put our locking nut on the other side here, get them both started. Here's our Allen wrench here. We're going to put this on here, and our socket wrench. And we just want to snug this up. Don't over tighten them. It could prematurely crack the wear blade also, and the cement will do the rest of the work for us. Just a snug tightness, and believe me, the cement will do the rest of the work there. And once again, we're using our washers as spacers. We do not want to try to over tighten our wear blades to match up to the flighting. Our washers are going to be our spacers. This completes our wear blade replacement on our C60. My name is Jim Bishop with Cemen Tech.